Alright folks, we got some cooking going on over here. Spotlight! Spotlight! Alright. What you cooking?
Chicken curry.
Chicken curry?
Yeah, but no chicken.
There's chicken in there.
Yeah, I know, sir.
I bought a chicken last night, dog.
Chicken. This is ingredients.
Okay, so okay, hold on. Let me get the light on over here. Let me get the light. Hold on. Folks, I'm shooting on the GoPro. Let there be light. There we go. Okay, tell us what the ingredients are.
This is bawang, sir.
That's garlic.
Yeah. Sibuyas.
Got little onions.
Luya.
Luya? What's a luya?
Ginger, sir.
Oh, ginger. Ginger, yeah.
Patatas.
Potatoes.
And carrots.
Carrots.
Dapat, bell pepper, sir. So that's the ingredients. This is not ingredients for the...
You're not putting the okra in there. That's a different ingredients.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's the dish that we're making today?
Chicken curry.
Okay, so we're making chicken curry today, folks. So this is the beginning, and we'll get that chicken out, and we'll show you our chicken.
And,
okay, folks, we got just a coconut milk powder. Just because that's what they had. We didn't find the coconut milk. And just a green curry seasoning mix. So she is going to throw down on some green curry chicken, and it is going to be delicious. Alright folks, it's time to fire this up. Take a look at that chicken. Now, that's a chicken I picked up, and I knew I picked the winning bird, because that one right there looks good. Got the curry powder, coconut milk going on. And Ate's about to throw it in my wok over there, right? Finna throw down on this red wok, folks. This red wok is still going, doing the gangster lean because it's missing a wheel over there. My goodness, here we go. Gonna be masarap.
Hopefully, masarap, sir. Hopefully.
Look at that, folks. You know, like I said, I gave this wok away to our friend Marissa, but she ran out of room in her bag and couldn't take it, and so the wok remains. This thing is still rocking on. You know, we do a lot of mustard cooking on that barbecue grill out there. Use that iron skillet, and you know, sometimes when it's raining, it's not convenient to go out there and fire that up, even though we love it. Still thinking about picking up that little induction cooktop, put that Lodge cast iron skillet on. But here we go. Boom, partners, rolling in strong with the chicken. Man, she didn't mess around with that. There wasn't no, not even a slight hesitation on dumping that chicken up in there. Oh yeah. And folks, she's using my prize favorite wooden spatula. That thing's been a champion. Been around the world with me multiple times in my suitcase. Love that wooden spatula. Think about getting mine. Okay, so we're gonna put the lid on it for a little while. All right, let's go put the lid on it for a little while.
Ganyan lang siya, sir.
Mixing up that coconut milk.
Natin to.
Okay, she's throwing in the vegetables. So they're throwing in the chicken, my friends. But you want me to tell you Ate's secret? The secret is YouTube. She's watching the YouTube video real time.
And then, okay, so
It smells delicious.
that's it.
Finished product up in the wok. My goodness. Old lady's making a plate for 4th G. Baby, say hello to everyone.
Hello.
My goodness, you look beautiful, baby. So 4th G about to throw down. I got me a plate over here too, my friends. Let me bite into this. and see if Ate did us a good job here, which I knew she did. I'm just gonna test out the, oh yeah, just let me get a bite of that. That's some on-time green curry right there. And folks, thanks for joining us on this what we're having for lunch video. We'll see you on the next one. Peace out.